O ke au I ka huli, vela ka honua. O ke au I ka huli, lole ka lani.
The Kealopiko is our most detailed chant of creation. And so the chant says, Hanau ka e kaha noho I kai, hia I ia e ka e kaha kaha noho I uka, which means the e kaha is born in the ocean and it's guarded by the e kaha kaha fern on land. It shows us that our kupuna recognize the interconnectedness between land and sea. And so the Kealopiko really invites this larger conversation about our environment.
That chant is the foundation of our being. Every day, I'm amazed and fascinated by what our ancestors knew.
When we were approached by Hawaiian Airlines about this project with the amenity kit, there's an interest of finding out why would a company like Hawaiian Airlines want to work with a company like Kealopiko.
Because we don't compromise, and we really push for our values to transcend into this collaboration.
I knew that Hawaiian Airlines had been working on this coral reef initiative, like educating on coral reefs and handing out sunscreen on board and really trying to help people understand how we can all have an impact on that. We thought that this pairing of this coral and this fern really represents the importance of that relationship, and it allows us to expand on that conversation. That really it's not just the coral reefs, it's also the rainforests and the other habitats that are connected to them.
And the fact that Hawaiian chose that design was very special and unique, and it just showed the intention of the airline.
It felt good because they were open to see how we could integrate both businesses in a collaboration. That really was the hook for us. It wasn't necessarily like, oh wow, here we have this new canvas to design for. It was more about the team that was working on this project bringing awareness to certain issues that we are highlighting within the design.
I think when someone picks up this amenity kit and reads the small story, I would hope each person is inspired to then think about their relationship with their own environment. I'd want them to know that relationship to land is primary for us as a people, and that we're doing everything we can to maintain the health of this beautiful place that they're coming to enjoy.